This video shows a Squirrel 355 manufactured by Crendon Machinery. Squirrel 355 is a small self-propelled elevating work platform with a maximum cage floor height of 3.5 meters. The cage rotates 60 degrees to the right and 60 degrees to the left. This is very beneficial working in close planted orchards. The Squirrel has a very powerful engine and hydraulic system enabling it to handle steep slopes safely. It can negotiate rough terrain easily due to its large wheels, in particular large diameter caster wheel and heavy construction. The Squirrel has many inbuilt safety features, including a height and speed sensitive slope alarm. Now let's have a closer look at the Squirrel. The cage gate incorporates two independent locks for ultimate safety. A wide seat belt holds the operator directly above the foot controls and is very comfortable. Engine start, variable throttle and engine stop, along with hydraulic 2-speed, are in the front of the cage for easy access. The Squirrel has very unique, simple, easy foot controls. The right foot controls the base of the Squirrel. Toe down drives the Squirrel forwards. Heel down drives the Squirrel in reverse. Turn the foot to the left and the whole machine will turn to the left. Turn to the right and the whole machine will turn to the right. Turn half and the machine will turn half. The left foot controls the boom and cage. Toe down raises the boom. Heel down lowers the boom. Twist to the left. Cage side swings to the left. Twist to the right. The cage side swings to the right. With this unique, simple foot control, the Squirrel operator can keep his hands free at all times. He is capable of doing any form of driving. He can drive forward, turn, lift and side swing all at the same time. This is a very unique feature to the Squirrel and gets maximum productivity out of the Squirrel operator. Wheel drives incorporate a high-performance roller hydraulic motors with case drains, a multi-disc wet brakes and a planetary wheel hub. The wheel hubs also incorporate a relief valve protecting the seals from damage. With this combination of safety measures and fail-safe wheel brakes, the Squirrel can safely negotiate steep inclines without damage to the hydraulic system or components. The Squirrel has a large diameter caster wheel. The large diameter wheel reduces bogging and makes it enabled to handle deep ruts and rough terrain without getting bogged or stuck. The engine bonnets swing forward for easy servicing. The Squirrel has an hour meter, unique slope sensor. The engine is fitted with a ball valve for easy oil changes. The engine is kept quiet due to its tandem muffler system. Engine bay is mounted on springs, reducing any vibration coming through to the cage. There is room to store wet weather gear under the bonnet. Right hand side is a large fuel tank enabling several days' work. Compressor is optional extra and is fitted with a ball valve for easy oil changes. The hydraulic system is protected by a very fine 10 micron suction filter. The Squirrel is fitted with an emergency descent valve which is clearly labelled, enabling others to operate in emergencies. Emergency stop is also fitted for ultimate safety. The hubs are easily disengaged when towing. A drawbar is removed from the engine compartment and is only inserted when required for trouble-free driving. This long drawbar provides safe towing over rough terrain and with vehicles with different height tow bars. The hubs are self-engaged when the button is released. The speed-sensitive slope alarm is connected to a height sensor. This makes the alarm only come on when it is driven in an unsafe situation or excessive speeds. Foot controls have no slop due to ball joints on both ends of its short linkage. Boom ram has a long replaceable pin and bush. Caster wheel pivot has a removable collar and replaceable nylon bushes top and bottom for long life and a nylon thrust washer. Boom and stabilizer pivots are also removable and also have nylon collars fitted on both sides. The nylon is self-lubricated but is greased to give extremely long life. The cage pivot pins are also removable and have nylon bushes fitted on both sides on the stabilizer bar and the boom. The rotating cage also has a nylon thrust washer. Squirrel comes with a range of options, including a 6 CFM air compressor, 18 CFM air compressor, air chainsaw bar dip racks, hydraulic outlets for hydraulic tools, standard picking bag which holds up to 5 bushels, new deluxe picking bag which is double layered and very thick padded, has 4 stages with no dropping between the zones, holds up to 4 or 5 bushels. A multiple crate holder which holds empty tubs on the cage gate. Full tubs are stored and protected in the front frame. Holds up to 4 or 5 tubs. Quick disconnect dual wheels are excellent on steep conditions and slippery, easy bogging ground. The Squirrel is also available with hand controls. A joystick is used for drive, forward, reverse, turning right, turning left, side swinging right, left, raising the cage, lowering, hand throttle for variable engine revs, and a hydraulic 2-speed control. Quality control is very important at Crendon Machinery. Every Squirrel undergoes thorough testing on an automatic test bench for at least 6 hours. Other Squirrels in the Crendon Machinery range is a Squirrel 505, which has a maximum cage floor height of 5 meters. Squirrel 655, which has a maximum cage floor height of 6.5 meters. Squirrel 805, which has a maximum cage floor height of 8 meters. The 805 is available with a 2-man cage. There is a separate video which shows the 805 Squirrel in a lot more detail. For more information, contact your local dealer, visit Crendon Machinery's website, or contact Crendon Machinery.